Develop your marketing to prepare for marketing success. Do you ever feel like you're constantly running around, attempting to get your marketing products created and out the door? Are you tired by the marketing procedure and driving your author, designer, or printer absolutely nuts? Is your strategy to just select one original from time to time to carry out? Or are you continuously hopping on the current marketing concept and discarding your time and money with your efforts? You are not alone. Most small companies have the exact same method of marketing. The result is a marketing that's not cohesive. It is a marketing utilizing the push and pray method. You just produce marketing pieces here and there, and after that, wish for brand new customers and sales to come rushing in. When you're hectic, you simply forget or put off your marketing completely. Then, when you end up all of your customers' job, you stress, push out some new marketing products, and expect the best. The answer to push and pray marketing is to plan your marketing in advance, to take a seat and create a marketing machine so that your marketing runs efficiently and easily all year long. Creating a year-round prepare for marketing can truly improve the number of sales that you have the ability to make, and keep a constant stream of clients and earnings being available in. There are a number of things to consider when developing your marketing machine. Consistently and repeating are two of the most crucial things to planning your marketing. Specialist states that you need to make 6 to 12 very first impressions on a possible customer before you'll be remembered. Make sure to set up your marketing machine to consist of numerous marketing pieces per year. Equally distribute throughout the year and present in many various methods. You must also make sure to have consistency and repeated copies and style elements throughout your materials. Using some of the same text selling points throughout all of your marketing materials assists increase memorability, and making certain the look and feel of your material is likewise consistent with a well-established and well-designed visual vocabulary will make the pieces of your marketing machine look like a well-planned expert and unified set rather than disjointed mess simply shaped together. Format is the way that you provide your marketing materials. Marketing can be presented in many formats. 1. Printed material like stationery, postcards, pamphlets and data sheets. 2. Online products like your site. 3. Digital materials like Word templates, email signatures and PDF files. 4. Written materials like articles and press releases. 5. Meetings and discussion products like PowerPoint presentations, presentation folders, proposition covers, and leave behind materials like sales brochures or other marketing pieces. 6. follow-up materials like e-zines or online newsletters, offline newsletters, sales letters, and thank you cards. It is crucial to match the media that you're marketing in your target marketing to get excellent results from your marketing machine. For example, if your audience is highly technical, marketing online is probably a great idea. If you're offering to individuals who hardly ever use computer systems, printed media would be a much better direction to take. Timing consists of making certain that your market regular throughout the year, but there are some other elements to consider when establishing your marketing machine. Make certain that you set up your marketing machine so that you have plenty of time to develop your products and promotions. Think about working products in off times for your service, such as a holiday or on slow days. Work it on marketing when you're not hectic with other tasks would allow you to make the very best possible uses of your time and to commit enough attention to each of your marketing efforts. If you partner with vendors such as designers, copywriters, printers, and others to create your marketing products, make sure they have enough time to do a good quality job. Ask what their lead times are and be sensitive to their hectic times. Another strategy to maximize time spent dealing with your marketing machine is to batch similar products together, for instance, composing numerous articles at the same time and then establishing those pages on your website so that they're prepared to send out when it's time to launch them. Some newsletter services, such as Email Brain, allow you to establish your newsletters to send at a scheduled time in the future, even months down the roadway, which automates your marketing machine even further. Budgeting. Plan approximately 10% of your gross earnings for marketing use, state the specialists. Be sure that you include all elements of producing your marketing products, including 1. Style work, 2. Copied editing and copywriting, 3. Printing, 4. Mailing, 5. Placement charge for marketing, 6. Public relations, 7. HTML newsletter service fees, 8. Site hosting and domain name fees, 9. Site upkeep and updates, 10. Search engine optimization, 11. Exhibition costs, 12. Recommendations and affiliate fees. Some companies likewise include network charges like meeting expenses and membership fees in their marketing budget plans. Batching several jobs together not only assists you with timing, however, likewise with remaining within your marketing budget plan. You can also conserve printing setup charges by printing all of your products for a year. That way, the printer only has to do the setup work once. And make sure to set a little of your budget aside for unforeseen marketing efforts. For that press release you have to send when you win an award, or for advertising in the best brand news publications for your target audiences. Evaluation of success means asking your new leads how they found you and tracking the results, sales and conversion rates. Make sure that each of the elements of your marketing machine is working for you and producing outcomes. Be sure that you give those parts a bit of time to begin working. The result is marketing that's not cohesive. It is a marketing using the push and pray approach. You simply produce marketing pieces here and there, and then hope for new customers and sales to come rushing in. When you're hectic, you simply put or forget off all marketing entirely. Then when you finish all of your customers' jobs, you panic, press out some of the marketing products and hope for the finest, as I've already told you. The response to push and pray marketing is to plan your marketing in advance, to sit down and produce a marketing machine so that your marketing runs smoothly and effortlessly all year long. Make sure to set up your marketing machine to consist of numerous marketing pieces per year, equally distributed throughout the year. Working on marketing when you're not hectic with other projects will permit you to make the best possible uses of your time to devote adequate attention to each of your marketing efforts. Please go through the video again if you haven't understood it properly, as it's there to help you. If you want more help with online work, if you like more information, go to my YouTube channel where I have over 330 videos on how to make money online. It's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Once more, YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Now below my video there is a like button. I think there's a thumbs up job. Click on that and please subscribe. Also at the top there's a bell. If you click on the bell and press all, YouTube will inform you when I put another video up. Now also I have links under this video. They're links of programs I joined and used throughout my time on the internet. Some I don't use anymore, but I've put the best ones up, and also the tools I use now to this day. They're all underneath in links. Every link is affiliated, so if you click on anything, purchase a tool or join a program, I will get paid a small commission. I wish you all the very best in your online ventures. Always do your research, whatever you want to start. Use Google, put it into the browser what you're trying to start. Also YouTube, with YouTube put how to, and then follow on whatever it is you're wishing to learn. So please do your research. Watch out for scams. There are lots on the internet. So this is Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching this video. Hope you come back again. Please subscribe and all the best in your online venture.